CapStorm presents CopyStorm Director, enterprise-level management for complex Salesforce realities. Some businesses have a single Salesforce implementation with one production organization and perhaps several sandboxes. Automating Salesforce backups for a single organization is straightforward. Use CopyStorm in combination with your own scheduler, such as Windows Task Scheduler or cron. For many, Salesforce is a more complex reality with multiple production instances. Scheduling and monitoring the backup of multiple Salesforce instances requires an enterprise-level solution, CopyStorm Director. CopyStorm Director is designed to simplify the management of CopyStorm when a company has many Salesforce instances. The dashboard allows you to dynamically monitor all of your backup jobs. All active CopyStorm jobs appear at the top of the screen. As a job runs, its corresponding log file is displayed and updated. We can click into a specific job in order to see history and a view into the logging tables. It is also simple to schedule an additional CopyStorm job. Technical documentation can be found on learn.capstorm.com. For additional information or for a personal introduction to CopyStorm Director, contact sales@capstorm.com.